Hey guys, it's Miss Castor. Go ahead and get out your Unit 11 packet. We are going to take some notes. Turn to page 8 so that we can take notes on graphing and writing linear inequalities. Okay, page 8 looks like this. Again, this is page 8. Okay, you should be able to do this right here based on the last video that you watched in the work that we did yesterday. Okay, so go ahead and do that on your own. So this intro part is all on your own, number 1 and number 2. And then go ahead and write the solution of a linear inequality. We did that yesterday. And the solution of a linear inequality is anything that makes the statement true. Okay, you really need to know what a solution of a linear inequality is. Okay, so when we are identifying solutions of linear inequalities algebraically, it's going to look a little bit like this. We have this inequality right here. Y is less than 2x plus 1. Okay, we have an ordered pair right here. We have an x and a y. So here's our x, and here is our y. Okay, so we have this negative 2 as our x, so I'm going to plug in negative 2 right here where I have an x. I have a negative 2. Okay, and then wherever I have a y, I'm going to plug in my y value, which is 4. So I have 4 right here. Okay, and then I'm just going to bring down the rest of my inequality. Okay, now I have 4 is less than 2 times negative 2, which gives me a negative 4, plus 1. So negative 4 plus 1 gives me a negative 3. I'm going to bring the rest of this down. So this is 4 is less than negative 3. Well, is that true or false? Because this is asking determine whether it is a solution or it is not. So if 4 is less than negative 3, then it's true. If 4 is not less than negative 3, then it is not a solution. So whenever we look at this right here, 4 is not less than negative 3. Therefore, this is not a solution. Okay, so I want you to do number 2 on your own. So number 2 is on your own. We are going to jump down here to number 3. And we are going to do the same thing. Okay, notice that it's not in the normal form that we're used to seeing it, but that's okay because all we're doing is plugging in some numbers. Okay, so we have our x value over here, and we have our y value right here. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite my equation. I have 4x plus 2y is greater than 2. Okay, so I have 4, and now I'm going to replace my x value. I'm replacing that with what I'm given, which is 5. So I'm going to put 5 there, and then plus 2, and then I'm going to replace my y with this negative 9 that I've been given. All of that is greater than 2. And it's asking if it is a solution. Okay, so 4 times 5, we know that that's going to give us what? That'll give us 20. And then 2 times negative 9 is going to give us a negative 18. So minus 18. And this says is greater than 2. So 20 minus 18, that gives us 2 is greater than 2. Was that true? Is 2 actually greater than 2? No, it is not. They are equal. But this doesn't say greater than or equal to. It only says greater than. So 2 is not greater than 2. Therefore, this is not a solution. All right, now based off of these two equations right here, you should be able to do number 2 and number 4. Come to class with these 2 completed, and I will see you soon. Have a great rest of the day.